Sometimes, what seems like minor damage that's easy to fix can turn into an unexpected expense, especially if you don't take action right away. So, how can you know if your roof needs a simple repair or a full replacement? Ask yourself these questions. Question number 1, is your roof over 20 years old? If so, any damage on your roof could lead to a full replacement, as its structure and components are nearing the end of their lifespan. Question number 2, has your roof been repaired before? If your roof has already been repaired multiple times, it's a sign that it's no longer functioning properly. In this case, replacing it may be a more cost-effective solution in the long run. Question number 3, is there extensive damage or leaking? If the damaged area covers less than 25% of your roof's total surface, a repair might be enough. But if it's more than 25%, you'll need to answer an extra question. Question number 4, was your roof installed or replaced before or after March 1, 2009? If your answer is before, Florida's law requires you to replace the entire roof. And if your answer is after, you may only need to repair the affected sections. But be careful. This doesn't automatically mean a repair is always the best option. A proper assessment by a professional team can help determine if a replacement is the smarter choice. Question number 5, has your roof been damaged by severe weather? If the answer is yes, replacing the roof may be the best way to ensure the integrity of the structure, as it could have been compromised during the storm or event. Do you want a professional opinion from roofing experts? Give us a call, and we'll help you find the best option to protect your home and your budget. We're Innovative Roofing. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content.